everyone, welcome to our channel, Rebecca, Stu, and the crew. I'm so happy to have y'all here today. Today we have another Shop With Me video to show what's new and what's been restocked at your local Dollar Tree. This is from Dallas, Texas for June 14th, 2024. So let's go shopping and see what is new. We're first going to start over in apparel and accessories. They have their copper care compression braces. They have one for the elbow. It says 1 pack adult, one size fits most. We've also got gloves. These are the copper compression gloves. You get a 2-pack and they come in black and in pink. They also have the no-show socks for the feet. Also compression socks in the white and pink. Was the only color I've seen so far. The extra large juncture size tote bags. We've got the lemon with the blue background. The sage green with the white ferns. There's also the gray bag that says gather, bloom, and grow. Then we have the large bags with the floral pattern. This has a peach handle. And then we've also got a different floral pattern. This has a hunter green handle. And then the dark blue and black. They have the tie-dye blue spiral pattern. The brown and tan kind of looks with a little bit of blue mixed in, kind of looks like waves. We have some youth size t-shirts in green and in brown. And then for the arts and crafts this week, we've got some restocked items like the wooden animal shapes. We've got the fish. There's also the lizard. And then there's also a shark. See, these are those articulated animals that wave back and forth. The snakes were gone already. Then for the Crafter's Square, we've got the DIY mushrooms in an 8-count pack. There's 2 different packs. One has a little bit more of the pointy kind of mushroom, and then there's the rounded top. We have the DIY wooden word plaques. There's the word relax, home. There's also love. And these do come in a box of 4. The last one is peace, but they were all the way at the bottom, so I didn't want to dig them all out. We've got some artist paint brushes. These are like a 5 or 6 count pack, depending on which one you get. There are like the smaller brushes, some sponge brushes, and they're all different. So look through them. We've got the floral wire by Floral Garden. These are the 26 gauge 100 foot wire, and it comes in a couple different colors. We've got black, gold, red, purple, and navy blue. Also, we have the felt flower kits back in. You get about 15 pieces per pack, and it makes several flowers, which we've showed on this channel before in a craft video. The DIY acrylic boards also restocked in an 8x10 and a 12-piece craft wood bees that have the sticker backing. There's also the ladybugs. They had these out last year. Very popular, and those are back in stores this week. For baby and toddler items, they've got the little baby booties with the rattles on the toes. These are so cute. I always love these. They've got the princess crowns, the monster trucks. We've also got some butterflies. And then one more, the gray, black, and red with the basketballs. And then for health and beauty, we're going to first start over in the cosmetics. This week, we have the Ioni Beauty Dollhouse Makeup Bar. All of these are $1.25. We've got the Shea Butter Lipstick. This is in pink dress. And they have a darker color as well. And that is called Chiffon Red. There's also the Sheer Pink and Chiffon Red lip pencils. We have the Blush Cream Stick in Cinnamon Rose and Pinky Heart. And then we've got a Barely There Ioni mattifying powder in a heart-shaped container. It says it reduces shine and helps set the makeup. It's a lightweight finish. There's the finishing glow spray. It says lightweight misting formula to lock in your makeup set. We've got the black felt and blue felt eyeliner pens. Some new mascara in black and in purple. Then we've got the brow mechanical pencil. I only saw this in the color medium brown. There's also the clear brow gel. It says it holds all day. And then the clear base buildable sparkle eyeliner. And then the chubby stick, which is an eyeshadow stick. For the hair care, we have some extra large claw clips with a butterfly on top. These are on some new blue cards. I haven't seen these before. They have them in the yellow, really pretty soft pink, and blue. And they all have the large butterfly on the top. The 2-pack of the Gimme Thick Hair Large Claw Clips. This one is the purple and mint green for just $1.25. Says it stays in place, long hair, twist in buns. There is the blue and the tan. And then we've got the brown and black. There's also the Gimme brand thick hair bobby pins in black. You get 40 pieces. Holds more hair, retains shape. And then the 8-time grip infinity bands with no snag. Some new bobby pins that say love. There's a rainbow and some beads. There's the checkerboard pattern and the heart pattern. We've also got these large brushes, which are perfect for hanging in the shower with the hook on top. You can get those in the light blue or the dark pink. The pharmacy and personal care items. It's been a little while since I've seen the sensitive fluoride anti-cavity toothpaste, but they have that back in stock. Some of their face masks. We've got the strawberry and watermelon. And then there are the veggie farms. We've got the real veggie farm. There's one that's like a beet mask. That's in the pink. The orange is the carrot. Their travel containers. It's the 5-piece travel kit. They have some new ones that have a decorative pattern like palm trees. And then we have the white one that has airplanes on the outside. And these are all the perfect size for traveling. They have the light purple, and that's just plain. There's no decorative pattern on this one, as well as the light pink. Then they have those hand sanitizer misting pens, which are always great. They have them in the coconut, lavender, and citrus scent. For fun finds this week, we have some temporary tattoos, 35 count for most of these. We've got kind of like the 90s style pattern. There's some fun aliens and things like that, very bright and colorful. Also the unicorns, which look kind of like kawaii style. There's the sharks. And here's what they look like out of the package. We have the unicorns. So they're a decent size. You do get some small ones in there, but there's some larger tattoos. Then we have these fun disco ball pens in silver. Those are in the canisters up by the register. We have the silicone ice molds. You have one that makes a sphere and one that makes an extra large cube. And it shows you how to remove it from the container on the side. So all the directions are on the box. And now for the home decor. This week, some new items for around the home. We have these wonderful stretched canvas pictures with these soft muted tones and very popular colors. There's like those earthy tones that blend in really nicely together. We have some abstracts. There's some animal print as usual. A couple of them that go together. So if you really look through there, you can get similar ones and hang them as a grouping. I just love this soft background with the white plants on the front. There's 2 of those that you could get to hang together. Then we have this round flower circular pattern. You can see they're both different colors. Also, you could hang those together. The potted plant here with the vase. They brought back the LED pillar candles with the sunflowers cut out on the sides. They have those, of course, in the yellow and orange. I think they had white last year as well, but I didn't see that one yet. We've got the Be Happy wood lanterns, the glass jars with the bumblebee tag at the top with the twine bow. We've got those in the clear and the amber color. There's also the short amber lantern or tea light candle holder. I only saw these in the amber. They brought back the glass containers. These are in like a honey gold. The lid does come off. It's a little trinket tray style. And if you're not real thrilled with the darker gold color, you can get it in the all white with a little bit of gold accent on top where the bumblebee is. They also brought back these little signs. I think they're different than last year. This one says let it be, and this one says show me the honey with a gnome. Over for the office supplies, home library, and teaching tree section, we have the Harry Potter Advanced Coloring Books. It says from the film. This one is the Hogwarts. You can see it has the adult coloring pages, nice thick pages. There's also the Harry Potter book. We have the Make a Face sticker books. This is Dinosaur Pals. You get these really fun pages with like a dinosaur and the large stickers that you could decorate. I think little kids just love these sticker books. And on the back, you can even make a dinosaur mask. They also have a unicorn one, so you can decorate your unicorn with the different eyes and hair bows and things like that. Lots of bright, colorful pages and extra large stickers. And on the back, they have a headband, so you can make your own unicorn crown. They have out the garage sale labels with the pre-made price stickers, the battery operated pencil sharpeners. Those are back in for back to school already. We have the new colors this year, which are the pastels, mint green, blue, purple, and pink. Does require AA batteries. These work quite well, however. And then we've got these activity trays in the same pastel colors as the pencil sharpeners. They have the pencil cases in the square and the round, and the pastel colors with the pastel foam beads restocked. And then over in the housewares, home maintenance, storage, and organization. Last week I showed you the Mainstays wall creation wallpaper. They have these new ones out, like this one with the blue and tan butterflies and flowers. We have the birds with the really pretty pinks and purples and green. I found one more this week, so I decided just to put them all together and show you all of the ones that I found total. We've got, of course, the pink and red here. This is the sage green with the white flowers. We've got some wood print. This is the tan background with the light tan vines, the faux wood palette, and this is the faux marble. It's kind of like a gray color. And this is the new one. It's got a black background with some light pink and dark brown kind of gold color. And of course, they've got the staples that we've seen over the last year, the blue with the gold. We also have the white with the silver dashes, the green with the large leaves. And then there's the brick and the wood palette with the decorative pattern. There's also the white with the gold geometric patterns. And then the wood grain in the gray. This is like the darker gray and the light gray. They also brought back these containers for the bathroom. Sometimes they have a clear lid. Right now they have the ones out with the silver lids, which I really like a lot. They're perfect for storing things in your bathroom. We've got the watermelon, cherry, and bubblegum Mentos air fresheners for the car. You can see they have all three there. We've also got this new buffer. It's double-sided. You can put your hand in the mitt there on this side. It's a microfiber round applicator. Then we've got for the kitchen and pantry this week, the anti cup. So we saw these like a week or so ago with this design. See how the stripes go up and down? I found a different one that has the pattern where the design goes around the cup with like this wavy patterns. There's a few different ones out there. The candy jars with the metal lids that are the glass. We also have the clear clip-on baskets for the refrigerator. These are 8 by 7 by 3. They will not fit on every single refrigerator. They don't fit well in mine. So, it's kind of a risk if you buy them or not. Maybe just buy one and try it out. These new charger plates are so fun in the gold with this decorative pattern. On the outside edge, it almost makes them look like a gold sparkle. We've got the Cinnamon Toast Crunch Creamy Cinnamon Spread. That is in the 10-ounce jar. It's the full-size jar for $1.25. This new jalapeno sauce, I've never seen this before. This is an 8.8-ounce container by Palermo. For the party supplies, we have lots of new gift bags this week. I love the ombre color that they have that fades from the one to the next. And this rainbow pattern with the glitter, they have flowers, stars, and some geometric patterns as well. And each one of them have a matching handle on there with a rope. We've also got the treat sacks restocked. These come in 2 different patterns. You get 10 bags in each packet. They have purple. There's 2 different pink ones, 2 green, 2 red, and 2 yellow. Like I said, you get 10 in each pack. but the designs are a little bit different on the bag. Lots of balloons this week. They have the happy birthday balloons with the happy birthday writing. Those are in the traditional colors you see balloons in, like blue, orange, purple, red, yellow, green, and pink. We've also got the 20 pack of these solid color balloons. There's lots of colors. For the seasonal items, not a whole lot new. We have these coffee mugs for dads for Father's Day this Sunday. We have Super Dad, The Adventure Begins with Dad, and Best Dad by Par. There's also this cup. It says Daddy's Sippy Cup. They have a few of these wood hammers, which are plaques for the table. This one said Dad helps to build the best memories. Then these hangers that have a bottle opener attached at the bottom. There's 3 of them. So the white one says, Dad, you know me best and love me anyway. The red one says, Dad, I know I may be the reason you drink, so enjoy this. And the light tan one says, Dad, nothing says I love you like beer. They also have their decorative gift boxes, and these come in a couple different sizes. Each year, we've got the briefcase, one that looks like a tool chest, an ice chest, and a fishing tackle box. They also have some new gift bags out to go along with the same theme. There's the handyman with the tools. Looks kind of like a pair of overalls. You've got the hunting gear and also the fishing gear with the fishing jacket. They have some new items for toys and games, like the Play-Doh. These are a restock item that have these stampers on the lid. There's like Blue's Clues, Coco Melon, The Little Mermaid, lots of different ones. So each one of the Play-Dohs are a different color, and it has that stamper right on the lid so the kids can make their little characters that they really enjoy. We've got some more like Mickey Mouse. There's a whole bunch of them, and there's like Ninja Turtles. Like I said, there's a ton all together there. Then we have these really fun Play-Doh sets. Also has a stamper in the lid, looks like a straw, and some fruit. It says Play-Doh Kitchen. So they look kind of like a smoothie, and you get 2 different colors of Play-Doh in the container. There are 2 of those. Over in the Dollar Tree Plus section, we have these tumblers with the lid. It says it keeps items hot and cold. These large welcome mats that are nice and heavy for $5. They are 17 by 27 inches. We also have the Tough Stuff Powerful Cleaning multi-purpose cleaner for the car, for the upholstery, fabric, and it works on like vinyl and carpet. They have the extra large containers of tire foam and the $5 full-size Uno cards. And that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you haven't done so already. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss every time we upload a new video. And for all of you out there, I want to wish you a very happy Father's Day on Sunday. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.